guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and we are in Malaysia for the launch of the new Samsung Galaxy A7 and A9. We've already taken a look at the A7, so here's our hands-on of the A9. By the way, if you're new here, drop a like, subscribe, and show some love in the comments down below. Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy A9, the world's first quad rear camera smartphone. Yes, you heard me right. It has 4 cameras at the back. Crazy, right? With a sub 35k peso price and the specs the phone offers, it sits somewhere between flagship and premium mid-range tiers. It's a very sleek phone that's built from aluminum and glass, and if you're not a fan of notches, Samsung still hasn't budged. There are top and bottom bezels on the phone, but they aren't too thick. Up front, we have a 6.3-inch 18:9 Super AMOLED Infinity display running at 1080p. Being an OLED display on a Samsung phone, it is indeed very sharp with good colors and deep blacks. And it's bright enough for outdoor use even on a sunny day. Above the display, we have the call speaker, sensors, and of course a 24-megapixel f2.0 front-facing camera. That's a pretty high resolution. So aside from the quad rear cameras, it's looking to also be a selfie-centric device. On the left side, we have a card tray with 3 slots, 2 nano SIM cards, and a dedicated micro SD slot up to 512 gigabytes. Very nice. On the right, we have the volume and power buttons. Down at the bottom, we have the speaker grill, USB Type-C port that supports fast charging, and a 3.5mm audio jack. And finally, at the back, we have an elegant glass finish on top of anodized aluminum. Unlike the A7, which has its fingerprint scanner integrated with a power button, the A9's is at the back. It's an easy-to-reach place where it should be, in the upper middle. And of course, we have the quad rear camera setup. We have a 24-megapixel f1.7 main camera, 10-megapixel f2.4 telephoto camera, 8-megapixel f2.4 120-degree wide-angle camera, and a 5-megapixel f2.2 depth camera. It's pretty much the same setup as the A7 with the addition of the telephoto sensor. So looking at the camera app, the auto mode has options to select either the main, wide, or telephoto cameras. We also have a scene optimizer, which is basically AI scene detection that applies certain settings based on the environment. There's also beauty mode that's kinda like OPPO and Vivo's AI face beauty, but also includes some pro lighting effects. You get the main camera for the bulk of the work, but you can also zoom out to the wide camera or zoom into the telephoto camera as needed. And since this is a Samsung phone, other camera features you get are live focus, which is a very customizable portrait mode, Samsung AR emojis for some fun avatars to post to social media, slow motion, and hyperlapse for some cool shots of the sunset perhaps. Powering the A9 is an octa-core CPU consisting of 4 2.2 GHz cores and 1.8 GHz cores. Also, you get 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. We're definitely gonna give you guys our full verdict on this phone in our full review after we spend some more time with it. But for now, it's looking promising. In the Philippines, it's going to be available on December 1 and is priced at 32,990 pesos. It will come in caviar black and limited blue colors. I'm going to pass the question off to you guys. What do you think of the new Samsung Galaxy A9? Are 4 cameras the real deal or just hyped up to be more than they actually are? Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, if you like this video, you know where that thumbs up button is. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. And be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Kim, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!